Are you thinking of double glazing? Well, you know, there's lots of benefits to double glazing. It's going to keep you warmer in winter, cooler in summer, it can reduce noise, it can reduce condensation. Hi, I'm Maurice Baynett, I'm Technical Director at EcoMaster. Well, double glazing is definitely a great idea. However, if you're thinking of replacement double glazing, well, there's a few drawbacks to that. One is it's very expensive, it's very disruptive, and you might be sending perfectly good joinery down to landfill, and that's not good for the environment, and it's not good for your pocket either. If you've got wind-out windows or push-out windows or glazed doors that you'd like to double glaze, then EcoGlaze OnSash is the system for you. We've been making it for many, many years, but now we've made it DIY friendly. And that means that so long as you've got some basic DIY skills, you'll be able to install your own DIY EcoGlaze OnSash. And did I mention that it's really beautiful? If you look at the windows behind me, 2 of them have been treated with DIY EcoGlaze OnSash and 2 have not. Can you tell which ones? That's right, it's a beautiful system. Get down to the ecomasterstore.com.au and grab yourself some DIY EcoGlaze OnSash. This is a system that's been produced for many, many years, and it's great for 2 of them have been treated with the just do it. You'll be able to install DIY EcoGlaze OnSash. It's really beautiful. 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 Beautiful.